Hi everybody, Cindy from Avon. So I want to give you a sneak peek for campaign 13, some jewelry. So the first piece is a Filigree Collection, and it's a necklace and earring set. And here's the necklace. It's very pretty. It has a really nice long chain. And then it has the matching earrings to go with it. So this is a really nice set. They're pierced. So the set is $12.99. So you get a necklace and the earrings together. And then I also have the stretch bracelet in the filigree. So this is in gold. And it's stretch. So it's really pretty. And this bracelet will be $12.99 also. And I also have a pretty Pave hoop and stud set. And it comes in Goldtone or Silvertone. And this will be $7.99. So you're going to get the hoop earrings. And they have like little stones. And then you also get the Pave little stud earrings. I'm not sure if that's going to focus or not. So that's really cute. And it comes in gold tone or silver. And it's $7.99. So this is a really cute set. And then I also have a Pink Hope Rose Quartz long necklace. And this is very pretty. So if you have anyone that you know or in your life that has had breast cancer and you want to get them something, this necklace is really pretty. So it has the ribbon and it has a rose quartz stone. So you have the ribbon and the rose quartz stone, and it's on a necklace. So all of these products will be coming, or these items, it's a nice long chain, and it is adjustable, will be coming out in campaign 13, and this will be $12 for this. And what I'll do is I'll put a link to my e-store down below, so you can go check out the current brochure. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll be coming out with some more sneak peeks. See you soon.